Hello, in this video, we're going to install DaVinci Resolve in under 2 minutes on a Mac. Welcome to MacMingle. In the next video, we'll go through some basic functions. So here we select the App Store, pop that open, and go up to the search bar, and then type in DaVinci Resolve. Once we've done that, a number of options open up. The DaVinci Resolve here has no charge. That one down here, the Studio, is $2.99. We want to go ahead and download the DaVinci Resolve up here. So the speed of the download will depend on the speed of your connection. I have a pretty decent connection for this right here. Once that's done, we can go ahead and select the open button here. On the bottom right, we can see this bouncy 3-color teardrops. We can select that to go ahead and open DaVinci Resolve. Once you click that and you open it, you know that DaVinci Resolve is installed. Let's pop that open. The one thing I want to cover here is that if you select the new project, it's important to note that you get to type in a name for the project here, but also select the destination for where your file material is going to be stored. In the next video, we'll cover some basic additional material. I hope that was helpful. Thank you so much for watching.